Hello YouTube. I want to quickly make a very short video about the 1290 KTM Super Duke R. This is the redesign 2020. I picked up this bike in June of 2020. I currently have 1900 miles on it. But the reason why I'm making this video this morning is because I've posted in KTM forum and I haven't gotten any reply since. The problem with my bike, which started last week, is this. I put the key right here. You touch the ignition, nothing happens. The screen won't come on, the bike won't cycle. I have no power at all to the bike. I tried everything. I opened the seat, I checked the battery is 100%. I try as much as possible to make sure that battery is fully charged. It's charged on battery tender. Nothing happens. I've looked over the internet. I couldn't find anybody with the same problem that I have. It's literally a brand new bike. It doesn't even have 2,000 miles on it yet. I just came back from the dealership with the software update and the tail light, the wiring and all kinds of stuff like that. I'm not questioning KTM reliability. I like this bike. I waited for a long time to make sure it's the bike that I wanted. I went back and forth between the Aprilia Toner, the Ducati V4 S, the Naked, but this is the bike that truly that I think is the ultimate kind of for me. The opinions matter for every single person, but this one for me is what I think is the best. So, and that's why I bought it. But now I can't start the bike. I have appointments with the dealership today. Let's see what they come up with that happens to the bike. I've seen one GT on YouTube once in the 2019 KTM Super Duke GT. The GT, I can't remember. Yeah, that has the same problem. The guy said it was the revised ignition that caused the problem. So when they replaced the ignition, the bike came back on. So I'll update you guys on whatever the dealership come up with the bike today. So should in case your bike has this problem, this is the first one that I've seen so far all over the world. I have not seen any other one with the same problem. So let's hope it's not a trend. I hope to be the only one and KTM fix it so that no other person will have their bike stop working in the middle of bike road trip. Then you're stuck in Timbuktu. Yeah, that's it guys. Thank you very much. Bye.